Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make Gboard look like iOS keyboard on Android. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your Gboard application. Now from here, just simply select preferences. So guys, from here, just simply select sound on the key press, and the volume on key press will be around 78. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select the pop-up on screen keyboard as well over here. And now, with that said, you could just simply go back at the top left corner and then go for the theme. And then from here, just simply go for the black and white and just simply enable the key borders as well and select apply. And from here, guys, when you test out the text, it will be look like an iOS. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.